Well, hello and welcome. This is David Wilson coming to you from Overdevest Nurseries just outside of Bridgeton, New Jersey. It's a beautiful afternoon. There's not much wind blowing and it's an opportunity to take you out into the nursery and show you some of the really beautiful little shrubs that are going to be making their way into garden centres across the northeast and mid-Atlantic states in the coming weeks. And one of the old-fashioned, tried and trusted, very much loved and adored evergreen shrubs is this lovely Japanese holly that's called Ilex crenata Helleri. Now here's one, as you see, that makes these tight, compact mounds, grows about 2 to 3 foot high. Very old specimens have been recorded growing only 4 foot high, spreading out wider rather than tall, and makes a kind of pancake mound-shaped plant that is covered with this gorgeous, shiny, dark green, small-leafed foliage that puts on a great show during the whole year, but particularly useful in the autumn, winter and early spring. Now it's a hardy zone 6 plant, can be grown sometimes in zone 5, likes to grow in sunny locations, though it can also tolerate partially shaded conditions, and it's one that's been around for a very long time. In fact, it was introduced first in 1934, but the plant was picked out way back in 1925. A man called Joseph Heller, who was a manager at Newport Nurseries in Newport, Rhode Island, happened to be out looking at some seedlings of Ilex crenata, and he spotted this very nice, unusual form. It was then introduced, and from then until now, it's become a regular staple in the landscape, beloved by both professional landscape designers and homeowners across the board. It makes a nice plant whether you put it in as a single specimen in mass displays or as a low maintenance little spreading hedge. It can be trimmed if it needs to be, or if you desire to, but in most cases it's hardly ever touched. So if you're looking for an evergreen that's got low maintenance, that really grows easily under a wide variety of soil and climatic conditions and puts on a terrific all year round display, then Ilex crenata Helleri is the one to put down on your shopping list.